In this video, I'm going to be revealing to you an ultimate low competitive high potential niche that could skyrocket your KDP earnings up to $1,000 and above every month. If you have been following my recent videos on this channel, you will know that I always share new niches that is very beginners friendly and that a self-publisher can create, publish it and make money every month on Amazon KDP. So stick around to the end of this video. This is another new niche that is very untapped, not yet saturated, and I'm going to show you why this niche is very profitable, why it is high in demand, and why it is not yet saturated. I'm also going to be showing you a random KDP self-publishers that have published this book and they are making high sales every month. And the good part is that this particular niche is really simple to create. It is very beginner friendly. Even if you have not created this niche before, this type of book before, by the end of this video you should be able to create it and publish it on your KDP. A lot of time people spend hours on their computer trying to research on a niche that is very profitable, because it does not really make any meaning publishing a book that no one is buying or no one is searching for. That is why it's always good to analyze a niche before you even think of publishing it on your Amazon KDP, because you wouldn't want to waste your energy on something that will not give you money at the end of the month. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share helpful tips on different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you like this type of content, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification as you get notified each time I upload a new video. Now let's dive into the video. The niche we'll be talking about today is quote coloring books for adult anxiety relief. Now there are a lot of quote coloring book, inspirational quote coloring book, motivational quote coloring book, and when you search for all of these ones, you might see a search result of maybe 1,000 and above, 2,000, 50,000, and so many, because the market is very large. But when you niche it down to quote coloring books for adult anxiety relief, there are certain people that are searching for this particular niche. And as you can see, I'm going to be showing you why this niche is not yet saturated, and why if you publish it from today or anytime soon, you're going to be recording sales. As you can see, individually published, it's just 10 self-publishers that have published on this particular niche, and I'm going to be showing you how much I'm making every month. It will blow your mind. Now before we get to that, I'm going to be analyzing this niche. It proves to you that this niche is profitable. Usually when analyzing a niche, I consider the niche, the search results. If the search result gives me 1,000 and below, I will know that this niche is less competitive. Now this search result is giving 601, which is very, very good. It's showing that people are searching for this niche and it is low in, it is not highly competitive, because a lot of people have not yet published on it. I also consider niche score. The niche score gives me 50 and above. I will know that the niche, people are searching for their niche. So now the niche score is even 59. That means it is good. People are really searching for this particular niche. Then the third one is that I'm going to be checking about 3 books on the first page of Kindle store that has about 300,000 bestseller rank or less. This will indicate that those who have already published on this niche are recording sales. That's just indication, because if they're not recording sales, their bestseller rank will be way above 300,000. Now, okay, the first factor is satisfied. Search result is below 1,000. Niche score is above 50. Now let's check about 3 different self-publishers on the first page of Kindle store that have bestseller rank of 300 and below. So we're checking this one. This one has 79,928, which is very good. Is way good. Now the second person we'll be checking here is, so we're checking this is independently published. This is 2,506. So as you can see, it's very good. I'm going to be showing you how much these people are making every month. The third person we're checking is, well, this is 6,003. This is not independently published, so independently published, this is 24,000. So now we'll start with this 24,573. 24,573. So we'll go to Amazon KDP book sales calculator. 24,573. So as you can see, just turn on, let's add the reality calculator. For this particular self-publisher is recording above $1,000 every month, 1,386 every month, and $46 every day. As you can see, this is a self-publisher on this niche and is making above $1,000. So let's check the second person. Is another person, anxiety relief coloring book. This is 6,305. So let's check how much this person is making. 6,305. So you can see this person is making way above the first person. This person is making above $4,000 every month, which is very, very good. This is to show you that this niche, those who have published it are making sales. Okay, let's check this. This is 2,506. The third person. This is just to prove that these people are making sales. 2,506. 2,506. So this person is making up to $8,000, above $8,000 every month. The bestseller rank has proven that those who have published it, the self-publishers that have published on this niche, are recording sales every month. As you can see, there are just few of them, so you too can join them. Now, to further prove that this is very simple to create, I'm going to be checking the interior of one of them. So this is the interior of the book. Very simple to create, just a coloring page with a motivational post inside it, which you can create using Canva. Very simple to create. So to know how to, I've already made a video on how to create a coloring book using Canva free version, but for the sake of this video, let me quickly show you how you can create this type of book using Canva. You go to canva.com. First you need to create your design, your templates. So you select create design, custom size. So here now you impute the width and the height. So the acceptable width and height for coloring book on Amazon KDP is 8.5 by 11. So you impute 8.5. First of all you need to select inches, then 8.5 by 11. Then you create your design. The next is to highlight your margin, to measure your margin, because there is stated a margin for interiors of coloring books. So this the acceptable margin is 0.375. so at least 0.375. It might not be exactly, so we'll leave it at 0.385. So the next thing you want to do is to measure the rest of the templates. So duplicate this. Duplicate it again. Duplicate it. We are trying to ensure that every corner is the same. So next is to delete this. So the next thing I want to do is to duplicate it to the number of pages you want. You keep duplicating it. If your current book is going to be like 50 pages, you keep duplicating it till you get to 50 pages, or depending on the pages you want to use. So the next thing you want to do is to start designing your coloring book. First, magic medium. Let's see. So after searching for coloring page, so this is what you, and this came off. I can change it to portrait and generate again so that it will fit our template. So this is what is generated. So you can choose any of them, or you generate again if you don't like either of these. So let's assume you are choosing this, and because it's a quote coloring, we can choose different one for each page. So drag it down. But I've done a detailed tutorial on how to create a coloring book, so I'll leave the link in my description. You can check that out. So you can just duplicate this, or you choose a different one for the second page. Do the same. You can choose another one for the third, just like that. Then your first page, the first page can be, you can start designing your coloring book. The first page can be, this page belongs to it. But before you start writing, you need to put a border. Go to elements, go to shape, select any shape you want to use. And select different shapes for different pages. Okay, so what you need to do is to increase it so how you want it. Increase it more. You can write on it like this, or you change the color. Go to border color, then choose white, and you write inside, or you leave the color like that and write. But let us do white. Remember, you can just walk around it to make it the way you want, make it unique. So go to text, add heading, then start writing what you want to write. This belongs to. So you can use the size, show that it enters here very well. Then put the line, go back to elements. So the line is added. You can extend the line. Just put it around and make it look fine. And change the color. Go to effects. If you want to change the color, you can do it here. Just play around it and make it unique to your own to your own taste. Try this one. So you go to the second page. So you start adding all your motivational quotes. To get your motivational quotes, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate different inspirational quotes for adult coloring book, for anxiety relief for you, and it will do just that. So what you need to do is to copy them, or copy and paste them. So you select shape again. You can use circle or any shape at all, depending on what you want. Let's use circle. Increase the size. Then change the color to white. Other color, then white. Go to text. You can now add your motivational quotes. Just play around it and make it unique and beautiful. Then go to effects and change it, increase it. Or you can change the font to make it look beautiful. You can just play around it and make it look fine. You can change the color, change the font, change the size. This is how to create a inspirational quote coloring book. So you keep working on the pages to the end of the number of pages you want to create. This is just an example. You can create a different one, make it look unique and beautiful. And when you're done, you click on download, select PDF prints, then select last in PDF and download the work. We'll leave a link in my description, full tutorial on how to create a coloring book. That will be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.